and welcome everyone. My name is Vikil Salagari. Today I am gonna show you an online chatting app created using Flask as our college project. My groupmates are Aman Sheikh and Prashant Vasala. Let's take a look at what we have created. Basically, this web page allows user to log in into a chat room using something called as session in the web server. After that, multiple users are connected to the server and allowed to chat. The technology which are used are Flask as a web server, HTML to render the web pages, CSS to design the pages, and JavaScript is kind of connectivity between the server side script and client side script. Ajax is used to send and retrieve data from a server asynchronously without interference with display and behavior of existing page. Let's look at the code structure that we have created. So this is our folder website, and we have another folder called application. In that, templates. So this template folder consists of our web pages which are rendered. So this history, index and login are the web pages, and static folder contains JavaScript file. In here the views which is there, it is in Python file which renders our web pages through the Flask server. So filter basically does system slice up, and database stores the messages. Init act as a packages between this folder and this website folder. So basically also we have another all these folders .env. It acts as a storing of our environment variables, and config.py stores all the data from this application using this package stores into config.py, and this main.py is our main server which will be running as a web server to host data. So let's take a look at this. I have connected to the, so when we run it again. So when we run, we get an local address, something called as this 0.0.0.0 colon 5000. So this 5000 is our port, and what does this 0.0.0 does is actually allows user to connect to the web page. Any kind of IP address can be connected to that network. So I have connected my local IP address, which is IPv4, to the web page, and I have connected same to my mobile also. So let me do a login. You can just login, and I'm going to login from mobile with name called Prashant. Okay, let me send a message. You can see that the message is transferred from my mobile to